Mesa Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Can you believe Halloween is only 2 days away?
2? That's higher than I can count. What?
Yup. And SPA's annual Fall Festival is only 1 day away.
Wait, the one that's gonna have the haunted house?
The House of Phobias.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you stop by. Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow. More news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!